bright. Got a nice bright skin. I'm gonna be using the Our Lab foundation today in my routine. Anastasia Beverly Hill Debra, okay, y'all. Your phone?
Yes.
To do my homework?
Yeah. The screen is slightly bigger than a phone, so I just have to get used to using it. And see, it has like a...
I can tap and everything?
You can plug this, you can technically connect this to a TV. But it's not too much, so you're probably not going to do that. But yeah, we'll take this with us too, just in case. I should see if I can even find it. And look, we have the portable charger.
Oh, you brought it? Is it charged up?
Yes. I just took a handful. And then so 100, 40, 60.
I'm gonna go in with this blush for YSL. Just a little bit. Yo, why does this blush not even go into my skin when it goes? Oh my god, it doesn't go with my skin. That's the only blush I love. But my problem is, why do I always buy new things when I'm traveling?
I did that before and also do that.
I always don't use the things that work for me, but when I'm traveling, that's when I want to try new things. And this blush is still work for my skin. This is my first time trying. Yeah, sure, I know I'm too dark for that blush. Since I came out, I have not drink water.
That's what my cousin was saying. He said his pee was so bad. It was so like yellow. There's no water. Oh, damn it. I kind of want to play chess with somebody.
With that guy?
I would like to play that guy.
That guy's too bad, bro.
He's not that bad, but he's too
Babe.
cocky.
He's too cocky. He don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Yeah. Every time he makes a mistake, he's like, "Don't worry, that's fine." I'm like, no, he definitely didn't see that
Yes.
coming.
And he was like, "That's not gonna affect you. That's not gonna. It's
Yeah.
okay. It's okay." But it's not okay. We lost the game, and he tried to teach me at the end of the game. I wanted you to win the game, bro. Like, can you imagine this dude?
Maybe he thought I was gonna use it to beat.
I was like, and Babe over there boxing, he goes talking about,
I was like, maybe he has some. I'm like,
is there something?
I'm like, I can't see this plan that he's planning because he keeps talking like he has some kind of master plan.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
That he did not see him to the end of the game, Mangoro.
So I was thinking, okay, maybe he's gonna come from nowhere and do something crazy that I've never seen, and it never happened.
And then he's like, "Yeah, there's no way you're gonna." It's first he tried to convince you that the game was
The game's
tied.
gonna be a draw. Yeah, I'm like, no way. Like, I'm winning this.
And he said, if you do this, it's over. So you can give up. And you're like, nah, let's keep going. I was like, nah, how confident in that dude? So much confident. You see, that's the thing that dude was talking about in that book. He said
what
that
is this?
a lot of the time, all you need is confidence. You cannot even know nothing.
What's this?
I was like, this dude have made me to have so much faith in him. Even for him to be bad and the daughter had to be like, yeah, they do win the game. He tried to leave him with the daughter, yo.
Alright, yeah, I don't want to leave this a mess before I leave.
What?
Are you almost done, or should I wait? Oh, you think no?
Go drink water and come back for me.
Ugh, I don't want to go drink water. Alright, I'll do that. It's not like the water is just right down the corner.
We should try to bring water in this room, though.
We can too. You just can't bring a bottled water.
Why not?
Where are you gonna find the bottled water from?
I don't know, somewhere.
There's
They
not.
literally buy everywhere we turn.
You can buy a cup of water. I mean, you can ask for a cup of water. You can't buy. You can't.
So how you gonna just bring a cup of water in here?
The same way I bought the Bahamas Mama.
Okay, yeah.
You can do that.
This makeup tutorial is not ready or makeup tutorial. Just get ready with me, basically. We gotta leave. So yeah, yo. So I'm just, just doing like something real light. Because we're still in a shape, like we're not going anywhere. Because we're still not on land. Gonna be in the ship for today, so I'm just gonna do. So now we're just gonna put on the outfit and leave.